Facing trouble with WhatsApp stock on loading screen? Then you're on the right video. Today I'm gonna guide you with a step-by-step process on how you can easily fix this issue. First thing first, move into the App Store on your device. Check whether it is up to date or not. In the address bar, search for WhatsApp. Move into this app right here. You can see the option of update, which means that your application is not up to date. So click on update and update the app. Most of the time, updating the app has also fixed the issue, so you might be good to go. If not, check whether you are connected to stable internet connection or not. If not, forget the password and then rejoin it to the network that you are connected to. Or else you can use cellular data. Once done, now move into the settings of a device. Inside settings, move into general. And then head over to iPhone storage. In this page, search for WhatsApp and then move into it. Click on Offload App. Once again, tap on Offload App. It will clear the cache and the storage of the application. It will also remove all of the unwanted bugs and make your application run smoothly. So this is simply how you can fix WhatsApp stock on loading screen. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.